Welcome to RenEnergy.com, your renewable energy and sustainability platform. As the world grapples with the urgent need to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and transition to cleaner energy sources, hydrogen has emerged as a promising alternative. Green, blue, and gray hydrogen are the three primary forms of hydrogen, each produced using different methods and carrying varying environmental impacts. The future energy landscape will be shaped by the evolving roles of these hydrogen production methods, driven by technological advancements, cost reductions, and supportive government policies. Green hydrogen, clean and renewable. Green hydrogen is produced through the electrolysis of water using renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power. This method results in low environmental impact, as it produces no carbon emissions during the production process. As the global push for decarbonization and expansion of renewable energy infrastructure continues, green hydrogen is expected to experience significant growth. The cost of producing green hydrogen has been decreasing steadily, making it more competitive and accessible for a range of applications. It has the potential to play a critical role in decarbonizing sectors that are difficult to electrify, such as heavy industry and long-haul transportation. Green hydrogen can be used in fuel cells for vehicles, in heating systems, and as a feedstock for various industrial processes. One example of green hydrogen's potential is the European Union's hydrogen strategy, which aims to achieve 40 gigawatts of green hydrogen electrolyzer capacity by 2030. This initiative is part of the region's broader effort to transition to a more sustainable energy system and achieve climate neutrality by 2050. Blue hydrogen, a transitional solution. Blue hydrogen is produced through steam methane reforming, SMR, or autothermal reforming, ATR, of natural gas, combined with carbon capture and storage, CCS, technology. This method significantly reduces the carbon emissions associated with hydrogen production, although not as much as green hydrogen. Blue hydrogen can serve as a transitional technology, supporting the shift from gray to green hydrogen while green hydrogen production scales up. The development of more efficient and cost-effective CCS technology is crucial for the widespread adoption of blue hydrogen. As CCS technology improves, blue hydrogen can help reduce carbon emissions in the short term and facilitate the gradual transition to a low-carbon hydrogen economy. An example of blue hydrogen's role as a transitional solution is the Acorn Hydrogen Project in the United Kingdom. This project aims to produce blue hydrogen while capturing and storing emissions from natural gas reforming. In doing so, it provides a bridge to a low-carbon hydrogen economy and supports the UK's net zero emissions target by 2050. Grey hydrogen, a declining source. Grey hydrogen is produced through steam methane reforming, SMR, or autothermal reforming, ATR, of natural gas without carbon capture and storage. This method results in high environmental impact, as it releases significant amounts of CO2 into the atmosphere during production. Currently, grey hydrogen accounts for around 95% of global hydrogen production, used mainly in refining, ammonia production, and methanol production. However, the future outlook for grey hydrogen production is one of decline. As the focus on reducing carbon emissions increases and green and blue hydrogen production becomes more economically viable, grey hydrogen will likely be phased out. Policies and regulations promoting low-carbon technologies may also disincentivize the use of grey hydrogen in various sectors. In anticipation of this shift, some industrial companies are already investing in upgrading their facilities to produce blue or green hydrogen. By doing so, they are gradually phasing out their reliance on grey hydrogen and transitioning to more sustainable production methods. Conclusion: a mixed future for hydrogen production. The future outlook for hydrogen production will likely involve a mix of green and blue hydrogen, with grey hydrogen being gradually phased out. This transition will be driven by the global push for decarbonization, the expansion of renewable energy infrastructure, and supportive government policies. As hydrogen production methods continue to evolve, they will play a critical role in achieving a cleaner and more sustainable energy future. Several factors will influence the speed and success of this transition. Technological advancements in electrolysis and carbon capture and storage will be crucial in making green and blue hydrogen more cost-effective and accessible. Additionally, increased investment in research and development will be necessary to optimize hydrogen storage, transport, and utilization across various industries and applications. Government policies will also play a significant role in shaping the future of hydrogen production. Incentives for renewable energy development, carbon pricing mechanisms, and regulations promoting low-carbon technologies will all contribute to the adoption of green and blue hydrogen. International collaboration and knowledge sharing will be essential in ensuring that the benefits of hydrogen as a clean energy source are realized globally. As green and blue hydrogen production scales up, infrastructure development will be another key factor. Building pipelines, storage facilities, and hydrogen refueling stations will be necessary to create a comprehensive hydrogen ecosystem that can support various applications, from heavy industry to transportation and heating. In conclusion, the future of hydrogen production will involve a mix of green and blue hydrogen, as gray hydrogen is gradually phased out. This transition holds great promise for achieving a cleaner and more sustainable energy future, with hydrogen playing a vital role in decarbonizing sectors that are difficult to electrify. By embracing green and blue hydrogen production methods, society can move closer to a sustainable energy system that benefits both the environment and future generations. Thank you for choosing ReneEnergy.com as your go-to source for all things renewable energy and sustainability. With our YouTube channel, we explore the latest developments and innovations in the field, including hydrogen fuel cells and the use of AI and machine learning to optimize energy consumption. If you're ready to take the next step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future, visit us at ReneEnergy.com and discover the many ways we can help you transition to renewable energy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Stay up to date on all the latest news and insights by subscribing today.